This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah.
And I sent this file to Murli and Mohan, and I think they are not able to open up, or they did not back to me.
Oh,
So
okay.
No. They are what you sent. I told you it is Word document. What you sent, Jamal. It's not a movie.
That's the only it's recorded in my documents. I don't have any other things.
Okay. Okay. MRP line. When we for example, if you go to MD now MD04, all of them converted. We convert all of them. We confirm all of them.
For which material you want to see the MD04?
Okay.
Which material?
What material we did, Jamal? Honda? Or no, not Honda. Mazda or
HC1. The first
No. This one is a new. No, I'm talking about the old one.
The old
one.
Okay.
No problem. SC1. When we create the MRP run, for example, we see only planet order. I didn't see any process acquisition created.
Okay. Purchase requisition will create for which type of material?
I don't know for the other. Here I was not working on this one. This Jamal who do it. But yesterday when we did our, for example, no, not yesterday, like 2 days, 3 days ago, we make MRP for the Honda car. Is that right? Honda car or Mazda or what kind? What car we did?
It was Mazda.
Mazda. Okay, Mazda. If you go to any procurement, when we did Mazda car, for example, you see Mazda 01. Yeah. You see, we have about Toyota tire. We use your tire, for example. We use 166, the same, and document for customer and test. But when we generate MRP1, like MD01N, so we didn't, until now, I remember we didn't get any process requisition created, you know?
MD04, Mazda 01.
Mazda 01. Mazda
01.
Okay. Yeah, no, he need to see the MD04.
No, but this your header material is Mazda.
I am just give me a minute. I'm checking. So for your Mazda is FG material, okay, and your Toyota tire is the raw material.
Okay? Yeah, this is very amazing. This is very amazing. The car is Mazda and the tire is from Toyota.
No, I did not made it.
It's okay, no problem. The more important is to create the process acquisition.
Yeah.
Thank God I did not put a tractor tire over there.
Okay. Now we will see the scenario change. Everything.
Maybe we have enough inventory because I make good receipt by the movement 561 later. But I remember I never.
So you see, I have opened MD04 for Toyota tire. You already have the purchase requisitions.
Okay.
But requisition will generate for the components, which is having the procurement type as F, not for your Mazda or Honda car.
Yeah, I agree with you. But this, since we said we explode the bomb, this process requisition will not come to the when we run the MRP to say, okay, since we are exploding the bomb, or it will come separate.
No, it will come from there only. For example,
only here,
if you want, if you want, I will delete all these purchase requisitions and you can see that. I am deleting these purchase requisitions. Okay. Change. I'm deleting it. Okay. I will delete everything and you can see these requisitions will generate from MRP.
Mr. Vasu, you know why we are actually facing this step-by-step problem? Because the 9 class session, we don't have video, and we are not taking help from any. Otherwise, we take help from every video, and it will help a lot. So my request, if you have some time, can you do its class, I mean a 9th class, which is MRP run and plan order to production order, then goods received, then this received. So this all cycles go up to mass production or whatever. This whole class is missing.
Okay.
But if you wanna just do it, do it, and it will automatically record it. Then we will copy it. You don't need to wait for us or any question.
Okay. Let me see. We'll see. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I have removed all the purchase requisition for your Toyota tire. Okay. So now once again I will generate Mazda. We will run Mazda 01 MRP.
But we don't have MD04 now. MD04, we don't have anything. MD04 for Mazda.
Okay,
we
no
have
problem.
to generate.
Yeah, not
let me see.
required. You can see. Yeah. Okay. Plant and okay, Mazda.
Yeah.
Everything, and you need to tick mark this one. All order BOM components.
Yes.
Then only
Yeah,
it will
correct.
check for the other one. Okay. Scheduling and planning mode. Delete and recreate. Delete and recreate. Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Now I am executing.
Now this deleting and recreate means the whole MRP will be deleted?
MRP related to planned order and purchase requisitions, it will delete and recreate.
I see. Okay.
Okay. Now you can see here materials planned 3 materials. We selected one only, but system has planned 3 materials. Okay.
Yeah.
That is first thing. Okay. Now
and when you put the delete number 3, that will affect on plan order and production order, right?
Not production order, only planned orders.
Plan order, okay.
Yeah, only planned orders and purchase requisitions previously which are created, those it will get deleted and recreate.
Okay.
MRP live performance, this one?
No, that is just HANA documents planning file. I'm checking any, you can see here planned orders created. 2 planned orders are created. I'm checking purchase requisitions are there or not. Planned order material dependent. Yeah, you can see.
No,
purchase
no question. Oh, down. Fine.
Updated.
Fine.
Updated actually. Created.
0.
Purchase requisitions created 0 but updated. Okay. Maybe let me see. Now MD04. MD04 for your Toyota.
Mazda. Oh, okay.
Toyota.
Toyota. Yeah.
You can see. Okay. You got the
Yeah,
purchase
yeah.
requisition. Earlier it is I deleted everything.
Yeah.
So system, you need to check for the purchase requisition for raw materials, not for whichever materials.
Okay. This is why we used to have a mass conversion for the planet order and the purchase requisition. Mass conversion. Okay, got it. Okay, it's very interesting. Okay, sorry, no problem. No, otherwise, until the class 12 is okay, I believe, and as soon as I have time, I will do 13, 14, I believe. Yeah. Great.
And now, can you go again to create the, you don't need to create because already you created already production order.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
And what about the goods received and all these things?
Goods receipt means,
Uh,
do I need to do?
we
Or,
did not create. We did not. Okay, we will do it later. That's our
yeah, you
working.
can continue. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Any other questions, Jamal?
Uh, uh, what do you remember when you were on weekend? I'll send you one email about the
Yeah.
problem, and you told
Yeah.
me use this transaction code.
Yeah. Okay.
And can you put
Actually, the
the instead of
transaction.
D1 instead of D?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Yeah. You are getting this internal, but actually I corrected internal error in the number range. Check for the material number. Okay. It is
Yeah.
saying number range. Okay. For this MMNR is the transaction code. Maybe I typed wrongly. Okay. MMNR.
NR, and
Yeah.
you give me MMNI, I think.
Maybe. Yeah. The
Yeah,
typo mistake.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Go here.
Mhm.
Here you will get this screen.
Right.
Okay. So you can check what are the internal intervals are there, which are having the internal number and external number. Internal number means system will generate the next number. External means you can give whatever the material code you want.
Okay.
So you can see what are the intervals. Okay. So here tick mark is there means that is external, like
Yeah.
this one.
Mhm.
Okay. So A to ZZ means you can give any number. F1, MAT1, Toyota 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, anything you can give. If you give only numbers means you need to give external also within that range. Okay.
Mhm. Mhm.
So already this is a suitable for us, 0 to. Okay.
Mhm.
Now you can come back.
But how we know that the material D1
Yeah,
you
yeah, I'm
create,
going to.
that will be
Yeah.
assigned to this number range?
D1 is within that range, not assigned. We are not assigning it. A to ZZ means
Mm.
any
No,
any
I
10
understand.
letters.
A to Z means from A to Z all the way means number
Yeah,
ranges. But your
correct.
material is a D1.
Hmm.
Your material
Correct.
is D1.
Hmm.
So uh, how the D1 material is assigned this number range?
No, no, no. You are not getting my point. D1 is belongs to this one, in between this one. So system will accept.
Suppose our
Otherwise,
material,
it won't accept.
okay, our material is not D1. Let's see about Mazda car. I mean, Mercedes car. So
Hmm.
how this will assign Mercedes car to number range 2?
No, no, no. Your number should be between this one. Then only system will accept.
Okay.
That is
Okay.
number range meaning.
Okay. Uh, can you go and do it? We'll see what it will be effects on it.
Yeah. Okay. Now already 0 to counter is there and you have the number ranges. Fine. Now we need to assign this to this number range.
Yes, that's my
Okay.
point was. Okay.
Okay. Change group. Click on this change group. This button, change groups.
Mhm.
Now here all your MRP types are there. Sorry. Okay. Your material types are here. Okay.
Right.
You can see all material types.
Mhm.
So our material type is FERT,
Right.
which is assigned to number range 10 and 11.
10, 11. Yeah.
Okay. But
Mhm.
we want this to number range 0 to. Okay. So
0
that
to.
0 to is available in the top. Here you can see. It
Yeah.
is available here. So now we need to bring that from the 10 and 11 to this 0 to. So how to bring it?
Mm.
Simple. you select this FERT,
Mhm.
okay, and click on this button, assign element to group,
Mm.
okay. Okay, once you
Mm.
click on these groups again, it will come here.
Mm.
So you select 0 to group
Mm.
and click OK. Okay,
Okay.
this is for any kind of number ranges, not only for this one. Same procedure. Okay, click on copy.
Mm.
So now if you see, your FERT will be here. You can see FERT is under group 2.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay. Where we see the FERT is group 2.
yeah, here you can see FERT
Okay. I see. Okay.
under 0 2.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, you can
Okay.
save it now.
I see.
You have saved it, you can come back. Now if you go and put MM01 and any material code, not only D1. Okay, your new material code should be there in between of that range.
Okay.
Okay, we are not assigning,
Yeah, it could
it should be
be
between
D,
that number.
C,
Yeah,
B, or anything.
yeah. If you
Yeah.
put example like,
Thanks a lot, Wasu. Very good. Thank you, sir,
yeah,
for
okay.
fixing this one.
Actually, I did this one, but after that somebody has changed because the system will be accessed by so many people. This is
Yeah.
a training system. So somebody
Yeah.
has changed it. If anybody is changed once again, you can go like this. MMNR is the transaction code.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Got it. Yeah. Is it? I think it is. It's for HANA 1809. Is that right? No, the server.
No. It is a normal only.
Or what
It
what
is
you
a
mean
normal.
normal?
Once in ECC also same kind of transaction code and number ranges.
No. I'm talking about S4 HANA. This one. It is system A2
Yeah.
1809.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay.
This,
Okay. Great.
This is
Yeah.
1809.
Great. Yeah.
Yes,
Because the
please.
last time when I did the training S4 HANA MMSD, it was
Mhm.
1710 maybe something like this. Yeah.
Okay.
Great. Thank
1709.
you. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
Okay. So
Okay. And the other question that I have before you start the class, do we have any long-term planning in our schedule,
long-term planning means,
which is production planning is covered
yeah,
long-term planning?
your topic. Yeah, we will cover the long-term planning also.
I see.
Okay.
Okay.
The topic we will cover it. Okay.
I see.
Yeah. So we run the complete cycle from start in MTS scenario from starting to ending. Correct? Yeah. Jamal, can
MTS.
you tell me what are the steps here in MTS?
Make to, you mean make to order, right?
Make to stock. What we
Make to stock.
completed till
Yes.
now.
Yes. When you do the make to stock, uh, you have to go uh, um, create the material, and then create the work center, and create the info record and forecast, then MRP, plan order, then after plan order to production order, and then release the order, and finally you can do the production production confirmation, and then goods movement.
Okay. If you want to do automatic goods issue, what are the settings you need?
You should set up the backflash in the MRP2 for the article, and that's it. Will be automatic. And if you need to set up for good receipt automatic, you have to go to the routing and use the PP03 instead to PP01. The most important to have the good receipt in the PP. Wherever you use PP01 or 2, the PP it has to have the good receipt. Just a
Exactly.
flag. Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Very good. Okay. And what is the purpose of capacity planning?
Capacity planning is means you have to calculate the labor or man hour, and capacity planning you can create on plant level that you have to assign capacity with the work center, and then work center will create will assign to the activities type, and activity type is assigned to the GL account or something like this.
Cost center. Okay.
Cost center, yes.
Okay. Mm, My question is how you, okay, capacity planning. Example, in capacity planning, what are the steps we will do?
Capacity planning, for example, just to give you a high-level idea, but I didn't work on the detail. But just for example, if you have your plan and your, this is why we do the leverage. That means rescheduling the production. For example, you drop and no, what is called?
Drag
drop
and
down.
drop.
Drag and drop, yeah. You drag and drop in such a way. It is like a schedule planning for any project. For example, you said, okay, I finished the first order. I put next to this order the second order. So I put one after one in such a way to be aligned. For example, if my capacity in the warehouse, in the work center, it is, for example, for 60 hours, for example. And I found out there is two production order for 120. In this case, I cannot do it. I can do only one after one. So I will leverage. We said leverage. Yeah, we'll leverage one after one, such a way to. But I didn't work. Tell you the truth, I didn't work in detail yet. I was focusing almost on the. Confirmation and good issue, good receipt, automatic. This is what I was focusing. But next step will be this one. Absolutely, capacity planning, and later we do the reporting and mass conversion of for the planet order, mass conversion of the process acquisition. So we will work on the reporting this step.
Okay. So once you practice it, you will get the confidence. Okay.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
You explained very good for the goods issue and goods receipt, automatic and everything. But you are not confident in the capacity planning because you did not.
I didn't look at it at all. You know, I said it's better to know very well what we are doing. Otherwise, if we do everything and we don't, we don't feel confident, it will be bad. You know, it's better to feel bad with what we did. Yeah, absolutely, and it's very interesting. You know, I like it. You know.
Yeah. Okay. Good. So now, okay. So this make to stock is completed. I hope you are clear. Okay. Now, today we will see on the make to order scenario. Okay. The business wise make to order means you will start production after receiving the order from the customer. Okay. You will start producing it after getting the order from the
customer. Yes. Yeah.
For example, you are building a bus, Volvo bus. Okay. So Volvo will not manufacture the bus and keep it ready. They won't do. Once they receive the order from the customer, then they will start building the Volvo bus. They start making the Volvo bus. Okay. So those business scenarios are called make to order. Okay.
You talk about Volvo bus, Volvo?
Yes.
Volvo bus.
Sweden.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, wherever the country. What example I told you. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that is a business scenario. When you receive the order, then only you will start producing. So
Yeah.
those businesses will say make to order.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And also, sir, can you, when you work on an Excel sheet, can you put the date in this area on the left hand side that you start
Okay.
make to order, because that's recorded, and then we will follow that date with the recorded video, you know.
Okay, sure, definitely.
Yeah, that
Okay.
will be easy
So
for us.
yeah, sure. Okay. So this is a business scenario example for make to order.
Make
Now,
to order.
what is the starting and ending for this scenario? Starting and ending is the sales people, they will create the sales order. Okay, I can copy this. Sales people first they will create the sales order. Okay, and from there we will start actually.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, can you put the date on the left hand side? Yes, please. That's will really help with the video. Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay. So this sales order first they will create by sales people and they will use the transaction code VA01.
Yeah.
Okay. And then once they created the sales order, based on this sales order, our production cycle will start. Like to make this sales order, we will run the MRP to find what are the components are required and how much components are required. These we will find. And from here, our normal cycle, there is no difference in
I
make to
see.
order or make to stock.
So
Okay.
from MRP run, which is number second, third, fourth, five, up to 7, this will be
Correct.
the same cycle or same story that we did it in
Exactly.
make to start. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Correct. And we will use the same transaction codes, MD01N planned order. You will get the planned order and you can convert in MD04 or CO40. Okay. And release the production order CO02 transaction code. Confirmation, you can use same 11N or CO15
Right.
and MIGO for the goods movements.
Right.
Okay. These steps are common.
Common.
Okay. Now, so what are the master data in PP, Jamal?
The work center. Yeah. I mean
Okay.
material,
Okay.
work center,
Okay.
capacity,
Okay.
and info record.
Okay.
No,
And
sales,
Okay.
sales info record,
We'll
sales info record.
we'll go to what is a material master and then
And
use
sales review. We have to maintain the sales review.
work
material master
center.
data actually, I'm sorry, material master BOM work center and routing
Yeah,
in production version.
correct. You need to tell these details. Okay, routing
Uh-huh.
and work center. Sorry, fifth is production version.
Yeah, when when you say work center means when you say work center means the capacity is already in there.
Yeah, correct. That is one of the tab. If I say
Yes.
material master mean,
Yes.
so your sales view 1, 2, 3, 4, MRP 1, 2, 3, 4, these are included in this one. We don't require to once again
Right.
say this.
Mhm.
Okay. So in the
Yes.
work center also, master data means work center. You don't
Right.
require to tell capacity, scheduling,
Capacity.
and
Yeah. Yeah. Right. Right.
so these are the master data. So there is no change for MTS or MTO for these details. Only there is a change in material master only. Remaining masters are you don't
Same.
there won't be any change between these business scenarios.
Mhm.
Okay. Whatever maybe it is a MTS or MTO, you don't require any difference between these masters. Okay,
So
only
in other
difference
words,
will come.
so in other words, the material master, whatever the material we created in previous, we cannot use that material for this purpose.
We can use it. We can use
Then
it.
we have to go material master MM02 and then a lot of tabs that will be changed. Then it's too much
That
work.
we
So
will do it now.
I see.
We
Okay.
will do it now. Okay.
Yeah.
So previously used material also we can use this here. Okay.
Okay.
So with reference to this scenario in master data, we need to change only the material master. We don't require to change remaining things.
I see.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. That is first thing. So now I will explain you what are the changes in material master. Okay. First thing is
Purchasing.
we need to maintain this is sales order reference. So we
Yes.
need to maintain the sales views. Sales view 1, 2, 3.
Sales view 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Maintain sales view 1, 2, and 3.
And this is
Okay.
sales order VA01 that SD people they created, right?
Correct. SD people only will create, but in our class no SD, so
Right.
we will create
So
it.
we have to understand this.
Yes. Okay. So this is the first thing you need to maintain. Maintain means any default values you can maintain. Okay. You don't require specific details, but
Right.
these views also will be maintained by salespeople. Okay. And then for MRP related, you need to change planning strategy. Okay. Planning strategy as a 20. This is nothing but a make
to order.
Yeah, you need to maintain this strategy.
Okay.
Then only system.
The article type should be changed to, is that right? In the sales view, the article type. Article, not that article type. Okay. No, I forgot.
Article type is FOT only. You don't require to change that.
Bands. Category.
Item category.
Item
Normal.
category. Yeah. Normal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Normal.
No, let's. Okay. No problem. Okay.
Now these two we need to change, and one more is there, individual or collective. I will show you that. Okay. So these are the details you need to create it. Okay. So can we create a new material or we will use the same material?
I would say if we create the new material, so
Okay.
in this way that will not confuse with the existing material, and we will do the on practice that it will help us.
Okay. So I am recording this session, so you can ninth class you are saying missing, no, that will be covered here now. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Please
Okay.
appreciate. Thanks a lot, Wasu.
Yeah.
Okay.
It will be covered, and in this way your life is easier too.
So
thanks,
now,
Jamal, for making Wasu life easy.
yeah. So now first we will create the material master. Okay. So I am putting the new material code. We can Volvo bus. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Volvo bus.
Yeah.
And mechanical 40 same, and I'm pressing enter. Okay.
Yeah.
So here we need to select the sales 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1 to 1 general, not 3.
What about purchasing?
Purchasing is not required. This we are not purchasing, we are selling.
Selling. I see.
Yeah.
Okay. Purchasing for raw materials, not for materials. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So now, and MRP 1 to 3 is common, work scheduling is common, and accounting views are common. Okay.
Great.
Yeah.
Now you can save it. Means click OK, continue.
Yeah.
And here important thing is it will ask you the what is a sales organization distribution channel. Okay. So plant is this one and this one. You remember the sales organization SL01. SL. I can type
SL01.
yes. Okay. S101.
Is they
Okay.
are assigned to plant and
Yeah, that configuration is
distribution
there for
channel.
this plant actually.
I see.
Okay.
Okay.
Do we need? I think we need sales info record too.
Info record is not required actually. We are
Sales,
just
sales,
yes.
sales
Sales
info record.
also. Yeah, sales info record is not required now.
Oh, really? Okay, okay.
Yeah,
When you
it is
make the
not a
sales order.
mandatory. Yeah,
Okay,
it is
okay, I
not a
got it.
mandatory. Okay.
Sometimes they
Okay,
ask
okay.
the distribution channel, division, and all this stuff.
Yeah, these are their organization structure. Sales organization structure, like what we will use plant and storage location for sales team, they need a sales organization and distribution channel and division also. Okay,
Yeah.
so I'm writing
Yeah.
here because it is working in this system for this sales org. Okay, that is
Mhm.
yes 101 distribution channel.
Yeah.
That is S1 S1 and division also S1.
Yeah.
Okay. So these you need to remember and you can apply whenever you create any material.
Distribution channel S1 and other one is S1.
Yeah, correct.
What
Okay.
What about the customer?
Yeah, I
We
will
did
tell you
not
the
create the
customer
customer.
also.
We did not create the customer yet.
We are
No, no,
using
we'll
the
not create.
existing customer.
Yeah, it's very complex
Mhm.
to create a customer. Yeah.
Customer.
Oh, it's okay. VA01 is a,
There is a customer is there 3. Okay. You can use the customer 3. So we'll see when we create the sales order. Okay.
so Mr. Vasu, you create the customer already?
No, I did not create it. Somebody has created, I'm using it.
I see. Okay.
Okay. So you can click on the continue button. Does not exist. Why?
TV go.
Okay, 1 minute.
I think S1 is there, not S101. Just S1.
Somebody has deleted or what?
Yeah.
No. It is SL
Okay.
SL01. This is not S1.
S.
SL01.
I see.
Okay. Remaining is S1 and S1. Okay. So the material master is same. Volvo bus
Mhm.
for MTO scenario. Okay. And unit of measure. So these fields now in sales organization, you need to enter the which are the mandatory or required. Okay, you can
D.
enter the division here. Okay, division S1. Okay, and you need to enter the price actually. In the bottom you can see tax, not price, tax. Okay, you select tax condition, full tax or off tax,
No tax.
any option, no tax.
Okay.
Okay, so these are setup will come from the sales, but we don't have the sales people, so that is the reason just we are entering these details. Okay, and you can go to the next. Only we enter here a division and tax related details,
And
and
what is
then
one more thing? It says here cash discount is check mark and condition. So
that is all these are the sales related. They
I
want
see.
to give some discount,
Okay. Okay.
so you can go to the sales view too.
Two.
Here you can see item category group.
Yeah.
Okay, this you need to select normal. I think Nicholas, you are asking this. It is item category is norm only. So if they want different things, let them do the sales people. For we need to create a sales order. That's all. Okay. For that we
Okay.
are using all the standard. Okay.
Yeah. We are not doing a drop ship. We are doing only make to
Correct.
order. Yes. Yeah.
Correct.
Got it.
Yeah. So I put only the item category group NORM normal. So this is only details we are entering here. Okay. And then sales general. So here generally we will maintain transport group and loading group. These two. Okay. Transport group you can put 0001. Any option you can select. And loading group 000. These are we are entering only to create sales order. We are not going details of what is this and everything. Okay. So Jamal, is it clear? These are the fields we need to maintain in sales view 1, 2 and general.
Right.
Okay. Okay. Now from here normal means what are the MTS scenario we used the fields. We will enter the
PD.
same data.
PD.
Yeah, same
Yeah.
data. MRP
2, 3 days.
controller.
0001.
001 and lot size
Lots.
EX.
Exact.
Okay.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
MRP2 procurement type is
Production. F.
yeah
E.
I'm sorry. E in house. Yes.
and you can enter any value here and scheduling 000.
000.
Okay. And then MRP3 here strategy group. Okay.
20.
This should
20.
be yeah make to order scenario. Here you can select make to order 20. Okay, make to order 20 and then availability check is 02 individual availability check. Okay.
Yeah.
So then in MRP4 here individual or collective you can see BOM explosion. Under this you have a individual or a collective requirements. Okay, what is an individual requirement or collective requirement means, for example, you got a customer. Okay, you receive a Volvo car, Volvo bus. Okay, of color red. Okay, so for Volvo bus you will have a you will have the components. Okay, components like engine, tire, everything will be there. So your not red color, you can say engine capacity maybe a 1500 cc.
You're talking
Okay,
about the classification of the Volvo.
yeah, classification you can say are components. I need you got the order for the Volvo bus and he customer told I want the engine with 1500 cc.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you are start making the product. Okay, so Volvo bus is having the components engine, tire and everything. So engine should be 1500. It should not be 2000 or it should not be 1000. So it is specific to this order only.
Right.
Okay, it is not a general. It is a specific to this order. So your BOM components are specific to that order. Specific means here individual. So individual order wise your components are assembled. Okay, that means each component is an individual requirement.
Yeah.
It is not a collective. It is not just like a one bolt is there. See, this bolt is for any kind of buses.
Right.
Yeah, but here it is specific to sales order. So this indicator should be a individual requirement. So specific to that sales order, your components and everything is okay. So it should be a one. That is the individual. Collective means your components will be any kind of things. It is not specific to customer order. Then you can select the collective. Okay, so now I am selecting, this is the difference actually. Okay, individual or collective indicator, this is third, individual or collective. Okay, the option is one. Okay, So these three are the changes from MTO to STO. So next is work scheduling. So work scheduling, you will let. There is no difference here. We will maintain only the profile, work scheduling profile. And that's all from the PP MRP views. This is accounting. You will enter the accounting class, valuation class and standard price. Okay.
2000.
Something I put. Don't worry. Nobody will sell
Buy
you.
this,
Yeah.
2000 are very cheap bus.
Yeah. Okay. So once you enter the required details, you can save it. Okay. The difference is sales view 1, 2 and general, and then planning strategy and individual collector. Okay.
Right.
You can save it.
Saved.
So this material got saved.
Now, one more question I have: when you create the raw material, and
Yeah.
the version should be not tagged in both MRP,
Version is not required.
not required. In
Production
both,
version is,
is not
yeah.
required. In both
Production
tabs.
version, yeah.
Okay.
Correct. Any tab.
Any tab.
Production version is only for the production materials, not for raw materials.
Yes.
Okay. So now, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Material master creation.
Everything.
So
Yes.
this material is Volva
Yeah.
bus we created,
Yeah.
and work center I am using the same work center. There is no difference. Okay. So I am using the MC001
Yeah.
WC. So we will create now BOM and routing production version. These masters.
Yes.
Okay. For Volva. So now CS01. So BOM.
So BOM, we use the same material, right? All the
Yeah.
components, same components.
Components. Yeah, we will use it. So
Okay.
our producing
No,
material is
we
Volvo bus.
should have a tire, different tire, because Volvo bus is different tire.
Okay.
The tire will not use Toyota tire, man.
Okay. Okay. So
we can
tell me
we
which.
can put
Okay.
this tire, tractor tire.
I will. I am putting Volvo engine. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or which tire you want to use? Volvo tire.
Yeah, Volvo tire. Yeah.
Okay. Mechanical foot. Now this tire material code is same like maybe a Honda tire, for example. Okay,
Yeah.
you can type here that material copy from. So all the settings which are maintained in Honda tire will get copied to this material. You don't require
Yeah.
again select all the tabs
The
and
material type we use the finished product.
sorry, raw material.
Raw material, yeah. I was looking to ask you.
Yeah, ROH. Okay. So what are the settings you maintain for Honda tire will get copied to Volvo tire.
It will pull all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Only we
You
have to
can,
change the description.
correct, exactly. So you can select what are the views, purchasing, MRP and accounting, press enter, and here you can select from plant and storage location. Okay, and
Yeah.
plant and storage location, press enter. So here you change the Volvo tire description.
Yeah.
Okay, and you can press only just enter. So all the values,
Yeah.
PDX, everything will get copied.
Yeah.
It is very easy. Okay.
Yeah.
Accounting, and you can save it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I am creating
A bomb.
BOM. Yes. So Volvo bus. So there is no difference. So L and Volvo
tire.
tire, and you will have the tires for maybe
8.
5. Okay.
The
Oh,
item
we will
category
have
is
8. Okay. Not 1. This is L.
L.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe.
So you
F2.
can enter all the components and save it. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is BOM creation. Now we will see routing. CH01. So Volvo bus. Sometimes some group number will come automatically. You just delete it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Should not
Otherwise
become.
it
Yeah.
will, yeah, it should be blank when you are creating. Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. So then press enter. So here usage is 1, production. Overall status is 4, that is release general.
Yeah.
And then click on operations. Here our work center WC001. I am using the same work center. Press enter. Here you can put Volvo bus assembly.
Yeah.
Okay, and maintain what is the hours, machine hours, maybe hours, maybe it is taking 2 hours. Labor maybe 1 hour it is taking. Okay, you can enter. So if you want, you can enter the remaining operations also. Okay, there is no difference. So I'm just keeping only one operation and you can save it. Okay.
Make the life easier.
Yeah, correct. So you need to understand the concept, whether it is 1 line or 5 lines, there is no
Yes,
difference.
yes, yes.
So routing is created. Then we need to create the
Okay.
production version. Okay.
No info record.
I will come back. Info
I
record is
see.
for the raw material. Okay. So now production version.
Oh, production version. Yeah.
Yeah. Volvo bus. You can select any one. So production versions. Enter number here. Production version for Volvo bus. And enter the from today date. And maximum date here. Click on details. So here you assign the routing. Select the routing group. Okay. And select the BOM here. And then click on check button. So task list exists and BOM exists. Click OK and click on continue, and you can save it.
Oh, great. You come here direct from the article to create the production version.
Yeah,
Is that right? Yeah, great.
correct.
Okay, it's better. Yeah.
Because you can
So
create the project version at the right time, then you don't go to save it and come back.
Does mean separate transaction.
yeah,
That's
separate is
right?
not. Yeah,
Okay, no problem. This one is better, more practice,
Yes.
You are in the article, yeah. As soon as you create a routing and boom, you come back here, put it here. Yes.
correct. So production version we will create at the end only, because routing number you don't know. Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll create it later. Okay. So you see, for a new scenario, we completed this in 10 minutes. Correct? Master data and everything.
Yes,
So
correct. Yeah.
if you practice it like this, you can create multiple materials and practice it. So you will
Yes.
Yeah.
remember all these things. Okay.
Yeah. We are almost we're almost over
Yeah.
there.
Correct.
Now
Okay. So
MD04. MD04.
yeah, I will create the info record also. Is asking info record. So
Yeah.
go to ME11.
Maybe 11.
Okay. You will create info record for raw
For the
materials. Okay.
tire.
For the tire. Okay.
Yeah.
Enter your vendor and this one, purchase organization and plant, and press enter. So what are the mandatory fields are there, you maintain here. Okay, that's all. And save it.
No condition, nothing.
Condition is I put price 100.
Okay.
So it is still running. And save it. Okay, info record is also created. Now master data is ready. Okay,
Yes.
so Nicholas, will you spare some time or you need to leave?
Yeah, I have to leave. Sorry about it.
Okay,
But
okay,
yeah, but now we'll create now MD04. Is that right? Next step MD04 and MRP run. Is that right? That's what we'll do.
not MD04, sales order will create.
You create the
No,
MD.
Sales order. Yeah, sales order. Yeah, I'm sorry.
we
Yeah,
are in
yeah, yeah.
make to water scenario, so not
Yeah, yeah. I'm
MD60.
sorry.
Oh,
Yeah.
Sales order will create.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
Okay, perfect.
so
Yeah.
only 1 minute is there. Can I start the sales order creation or we'll see tomorrow?
We'll
Sales
see it
order.
tomorrow if you don't
Okay.
mind. Okay.
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 Okay. So
Thanks a lot, Wasu. It's a very, very, very good presentation. I appreciate your time, sir. Thank you.
okay.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay. Bye. Bye. Yeah. Jamal, we will discuss the sales order creation tomorrow. I think
yes.
you
Yes.
understood this. Okay.
Yeah.
Material all the masters creation. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
We'll continue tomorrow class. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. I
One
want.
thing is,
Yeah.
yeah, tell
Yeah.
me. Yeah.
Yeah.
One thing is,
The master create the customer creation. I did
mm,
before about at least 5-6 years ago with the
mm,
SD module, but not completed. So I have a better idea.
okay. But
Yeah. It's
in
a.
S4, there
Uh,
is no customer now. Customer transaction code, everything is changed. Here in S4 world, it is called as business partner.
right. Business partner. Yes.
Business partner. Okay.
Yeah.
It is a little complex, and you
Mhm.
can try.
But I remember as when you create the customer, then it should be on a company level or customer level or plan level or something like this.
Yeah, organization, sales organization level, organizational area, and everything. It will
Yes.
be given. Okay.
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 You are trying to say something, but I interrupt you.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Yeah, actually, I may travel tomorrow. Okay.
Uh-huh.
But I will send you the mail actually regarding that. If I am
Okay.
traveling,
Uh-huh.
so there won't be any class tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
But I will drop a mail also
Okay.
through
That's for
confirmation.
only one day or a couple
Yeah,
days?
1 day only.
One
Mostly
day.
1 day
Okay.
only. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
No problem.
But I will drop a mail to you.
No,
So
no.
you will have some time so you can practice the remaining.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Not a
Okay.
problem. You can enjoy the time.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But I
Sure.
will confirm. It is not a confirmed. Okay. I will
Okay.
confirm in the mail. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
Good
Okay.
night.
Thank you. Thank you. Good night.
Bye bye.
Bye, Jamal. Bye.